Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create or start a family in Berry Avenue. If you want to build the perfect family life in Berry Avenue, in this guide, I'll show you how you can start a family, and this is how you can do it. First, you can just click on this family icon and tap on create family, and in here you can just tap on invite and then choose the persons that you want to invite to your family, for example like this. And then after that you can just tap on invite and just wait until they respond for your invitations. And after that you can set up your role and find you can just set up your role and with the others, and you can also adopt kids or play as a parents. And after that you can find a house in here, click on house and choose the house that you want. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.